For your senior Honda division. Junior 2 Clone Light. 6 laps the race distance. Clayton Rossman in the 09. Noah Ames in the 5. Trice Rodden in the 27. Alex Schultz in the 41. This is your Junior 2 Clone Light heat number 3.
Box stock, Predator, heavy 400, light 160. Pro Clone 360. Start making your way to the staging area.
Clayton Rossman taking the heat win in number 3. Line up Junior 2 Clone Light heat number 4 of the afternoon. Kenzo Groves in the 11. Jaden Davis in the 4. Dalton Henson in the 26D. 6 laps race distance. Final heat Junior 2 Clone Light. Box stock Predator Super Heavy 400 staging, followed by the light 160 for the quarter midgets. Kenzo Groves taking the heat race win.